Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Last time we studied about a pair of linear equation in two variables, as well as in two variables we have studied one is graph method, another is algebra method. Now we have finished. Now we come to the next chapter, that is coordinates of geometry. In coordinates of geometry, first of all I want to explain in detail with regard to the distance formula. The distance formula, d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is one of the standard formula to find out the distance formula in coordinate geometry. Second one, distance formula from the origin. From the origin is d is equal to square root of s square plus y square. Then again suction formula. What do you mean suction formula? For example, in case of suction formula, m1x2 plus m2x1 over m1 plus m2. This is the coordinates of x. Then the coordinates of y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 over m1 plus m2. This is suction formula. The midpoint formula for x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, and for y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Then area of a triangle. For example, suppose if they have given area to find out the area of a triangle, at that time we have to use the formula to find out the area of a triangle. In case of a coordinates of geometry, half is equal to x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is one of the standard formula to find out the area of a triangle. So once again I want to repeat, area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. First of all, we can do some examples or exercise according to the formulas. Now let us, today I want to do one problem on the basis of a distance formula. Now we know distance formula, that is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Find the distance between the 2, 3, 4, 8. So in solution, first of all write them. Let a is equal to, what do you mean a? A is 2, 3, and then b is equal to how much? 4, 1, where a is equal to 2, 3, r is equal to x1 and then y1. If b is equal to 4 and 4, 1 means it is x2, y2. Now what is the distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the value of, what is the value of x2? The value of x2 is 4. Now here substitute the value of x2, x1. x2 is 4 and x1 is 2. So this means 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So this is 1 minus 3 whole square. Then again subtract 2 from 4, you get 2 whole square. Subtract 3 from 1, it is minus 2 whole square. Or 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Then again the sum of 4 and 4 is equal to 8. Sum of 4 is 8. Or this I can write, 8 I can write 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. But what do you mean the square of 4 is 2? So this I can write, we can write 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. Or otherwise even you can write d is equal to root 8 square units. Because they have not mentioned centimeters and meters. For that purpose we have to write d is equal to root square unit. Further, if you want to simplify means, I can write 8, I can split 2 4 the 8, because this 4 is a perfect square. Suppose if I bring outside, it becomes 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 square units. Square units. This is one of the standard formula. Now second one is a distance formula from the origin. For example, suppose 2, 5. 2, 5 from the origin. That means x and y. That means in the solution we have to write, let a is equal to 2, 5 or x1 x and y. X and y. where 2 is x and y is 5. So we know the formula d is equal to the distance formula from the origin is equal to square root of s square plus y square. That means 2 square plus 5 square. 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. Sum of 25 and 4 is 29. So the sum of 4 plus 25 is equal to 29, or distance from the origin is equal to root 9 square units. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 7, 1 and 3, 5. So in the solution what you have to write is let P is equal to x and y, and P is nothing but it is called the equidistance. Which are the points? 7, 1 that is A and 3 and 5 that is B. We are given that AP is equal to BP. AP is BP is nothing but they are called equidistance from a P. Now or otherwise AP square is to BP square. For that I can use x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to, this is the value of AP. How you are going to write AP square? X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to BP means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Here we have to use the formula a minus b whole square. For that I can use a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here I have written x minus 7 whole square. So in the place of a you have to write x. In the place of b you have to write. So a square means it is a x whole square. And then b square means 7 whole square minus 2 into a. Write down the value of a is equal to x. The value of b is equal to 7. Plus here also y minus whole square. You have to use the same formula. A square minus b, a square plus b square minus 2ab. For a I can write y whole square plus b square means 1 whole square minus 2 into y into 1. So this is the left hand side. So then come to the right hand side. A square means x whole square, b square means 3 whole square minus 2 into x into 3 plus, then here also y minus 5 whole square means what you are going to write? Y whole square plus 5 whole square minus 2 into y into 5. So what you are observing in the left hand side? S whole square means it is s square. 7 7s are 49. Multiply 2 into a into b. 2 into 7 14. 14 into x 14. It is minus 14x plus y square. Y into y square plus 1 minus 2 into y into 1 means 2 ones are 2. 2 into y 2y. This is left hand side. Come to the right hand side. X whole square means x square. 3 square means 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y, because 2 5s are 10. 10 into y 10y. On both sides s square cancel. Then as well as on both sides y square cancel, because they are common on both sides. So what we are left here? Here we left that is 49 plus 1, how much it is? 50. It is 50. 50 minus, yes, 50 minus 14x minus 2y is equal to, here what you get here? 10, now here 25 plus 9, how much it is? 34. So on the left hand side 49 plus 1 is 50 minus 14x minus 2y. On the right hand side what you are observing? Here 9 plus 25 34. Then again here minus 6x minus 10y. Then again keep all the x and y on the left hand side. For example, suppose if I write now on the left hand side what you are observing? Minus 14x. On the right hand side is minus, it is a minus 6. If you transfer on the left hand side it becomes a plus 6x. Then again here what you are observing? Y minus 2y plus 10y is equal to 34. Bring this 50 on the right hand side, it becomes a minus 50. Then again what you are observing? Subtract 6 from 14, it is a minus 8x. Subtract 10 from it is plus 8y. Subtract 50 from 34 from it minus 16. So what is the common factor here? The common factor is minus 8. Dividing by minus 8 on both sides. On both sides we get, so what do you mean here? Minus 8x by minus 8 plus 8y minus 8 minus 16 minus 8. Now minus minus cancel, 8 cancel, it is the x is equal to minus minus 2. Therefore, the relationship between x and y is 2. X minus y is equal to 2.